Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our new 2020 345 Boston Whaler Conquest. We'll take a look at the outside and then we'll go in, walk through, and we'll be able to show you how we option this boat. The full windows on the side, you'll see this is a Pilothouse model. It is a white hull, has not been bottom painted. Some features before we go inside: it does have the open array radar, the spotlight, outriggers, full bow rail. As I said, white boat, gray graphics, chrome logos, white rub rail with stainless steel insert. We optioned this boat with triple white 350 Verados. They have a great running boat. We'll walk inside and we'll take a look. As we walk into our 345 Pilothouse, we'll see three 350 Verados in white. See, it is a Pilothouse. It does have the summer kitchen in the back. Walk through transport. Wash down right there. Rod holders in the back. Just going to rattle off some features. You can go online, look at the listing, give us a call and talk about this boat. It does have the seat on the side and the seat on the back, as well as the table, which goes in the middle, which is stored underneath. Boat does have the engine wash down button in the back. Great feature, takes care of all three at one time. Live well. Does have cockpit speakers, tow rail, rod storage, nice step up to walk up the sides. This boat does have the refrigerator in the cockpit. The hard back windows. Back up, take a look at the sunshade. The core goes underneath the summer kitchen there. Boat does have a second refrigerator inside with the sink. Has a helm area, table which comes up, air conditioning, USB port, cup holders. This boat does have the hatches and the hard top, speakers forward, has the new Raymarine VHF mounted overhead with a remote down by the helm. This obviously is a joystick boat, does have a tilt helm, Lenco trim tabs, Fusion stereo, the two large Raymarine screens, Mercury's vessel view, active trim. Boat has all the options you need. It's a highly optioned boat. Push button start. As I said earlier, open array radar. Very well thought out. Opening hatch in the front, two wipers. Do a 360 pan around. Bolster style helm seat. Seating. Your outriggers. Handles let the outriggers out. More cup holders. Take a walk down inside. Take a quick look through. As we go down inside, see, it has the table, seating forward. The bed comes across, slides together for seating on the side that goes down to a bed. Sofa on the side lays down to a seat. A Yeti core that goes under the bed. The summer kitchen. Yeti core. TV above the electronics panel. Good storage. Has a sink. Windows up on the side, opening ports. Hatch in the top. Has a galley with a microwave, stove, third refrigerator, a sink. Open up the head, marine head, bowl style sink. Very well thought out. This is the interior of our 2020 345. There are pictures online. We are available. Give us a call. Any questions? Boat is here on site in Ocean View, New Jersey. Thank you for taking a look.